everyone! Welcome back to Web Creators. I'm Corradaline Shabir, your creative guide today. Today I'll show you how to animate images in Canva and turn them into cartoon videos for free. This method is perfect for YouTube, Instagram, explainer videos, or fun cartoon content of any kind. No animation software, no complex tools, just Canva and your creative ideas brought to life.
So to create our animation, what we are going to do firstly is that we are going to go to Canva. I'll give the link in the description below. Next, we're going to go to the video and choose your video of landscape 920 by 1080 px. After this sort of interface will appear. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to choose your background. Go to Elements and search for forest background. After this, just go to Graphics and choose your forest background. I'm going to choose this one for the sake of this example. Click on Set Image as Background. So now what you're going to do basically is that, so now we're going to search for image boy walking. Press enter, click on graphics, then scroll down till you find your perfect match in which you have to put it. So what I did, because I wasn't able to find it quickly, so I went to filters and it just did it to animate it. Then I got all these animated ones. I'm going to choose this one. Going to decrease the size. Okay, so this is done. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to click over on this boy, go to animate, click on this button, and then choose the way you want to walk over. Okay, this is done. Now go to Style, Movements, and then choose Steady. This is what I choose. You can adjust the speed and lower the speed as you like. You can also add on effects, but I think I'm good. If you're satisfied with this, then click on Done. If you're not, then click on Delete Path and repeat this process. I'll click on Done. And now if you watch this, then as you can see, our animated image has been created. This way you can create cartoon images as well as shorts and all these. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye!